We use the double boiler method to make the face cream. We take some water to boil in, and in that we keep a smaller vessel in which we are going to put 2 tablespoons of shea butter. Shea butter is a type of moisturizer that's called an emollient, which means that it actually smooths the skin by filling in the spaces with droplets of oil. As it melts, now we are going to add the other oils, and these are entirely by preference. So I'm putting some apricot oil. You can put about, depending on the quantity you're making, so if you have 2 tablespoons of shea butter, you can add about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of oils, any combination. So that was apricot, now it's almond. Then some jojoba and vitamin E oil combination. If you're putting vitamin E alone, just a few drops is enough. That's rosehip oil, which is rich in vitamin C, which we know is good for the skin. It is actually a precursor to collagen, which our skin needs to maintain elasticity. Mix all the oils. That's some orange oil, and you can use essential oils by choice, either blends or pure essential oils, just single use, like that's lemon and rosemary, whichever fragrance you love. That's an old container with previously made cream. I'm just going to reuse it. Don't use too many fragrances like essential oils, use 1 or 2 only. So after you've mixed everything, just pour it into your container. You can easily find pretty containers online. I'm using my old one. So as the temperature cools down, the oil will actually go back in the form of a block. So you can add the essential oils at this point. Check for fragrance and give it a good mix. Slowly it's going to solidify. If you want to quicken the process, you can actually refrigerate it. And as you can see, the cream has set. You can make it creamier by using more oil instead of shea butter. You can make interesting shapes to gift by using molds that you can easily buy online. These are great gifts to give, and as you saw, this can be made into a cream or a balm, like a lip balm or a foot balm, and you can make them in any fragrance that you want.